Ever wished you could speak the language of machines? To communicate with them as effortlessly as you do with a friend? Imagine being able to convey your thoughts, ideas, and commands directly to a computer, and having it understand and respond with precision, to bend their digital will to your every whim? This might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming a reality through the art and science of prompt engineering. Well, buckle up, because the future is here, and it's called prompt engineering. This emerging field is revolutionizing the way we interact with artificial intelligence. This isn't about building robots or writing code. It's about crafting the perfect questions, the kind that make AI tick. It's about understanding the nuances of language and how to frame your queries to get the most accurate and useful responses from AI systems. Imagine for a moment, you're holding a universal translator, not for alien languages, but for the language of artificial intelligence. This translator allows you to unlock the full potential of AI, transforming it from a simple tool into a powerful ally. With the right words, the right phrasing, you can unlock a treasure trove of information and creativity. It's like having a key to a vast library of knowledge, where every book is written in a language only you can understand. That, my friends, is the power of a well-crafted prompt. It's not just about asking questions. It's about asking the right questions in the right way. It's about understanding the intricacies of language and how to use it to your advantage. It's like whispering to a genie in a bottle. But instead of 3 wishes, you have the potential to unlock an infinite realm of possibilities. Each prompt you craft is a new opportunity to explore, discover, and create. But instead of 3 wishes, you have the potential to unlock an infinite realm of possibilities. Intrigued? You should be. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination and your ability to craft the perfect prompt. This is the next frontier, and we're just getting started. As we continue to explore and develop this field, who knows what new heights we will reach? The future of AI is bright, and with prompt engineering, you can be at the forefront of this exciting journey. Now, you might be thinking, I ask my phone questions all the time. Whether it's asking for the weather, setting a reminder, or even finding a nearby restaurant, we interact with our devices daily. Am I some kind of prompt prodigy? You might wonder if these everyday interactions make you an expert in prompting. Well, not quite. There's a difference between asking Siri for the weather and composing a prompt that can write you a symphony, analyze complex data, or generate stunning artwork. Basic commands are just the tip of the iceberg. Think of it like playing an instrument. Anyone can bang on a piano, but it takes practice, technique, and understanding to create music. Just as a pianist spends years mastering their craft, effective prompting requires a deep understanding of AI's capabilities and limitations. Similarly, crafting effective prompts is about understanding the nuances of AI and how to subtly guide its output. It's not just about what you ask, but how you ask it. The phrasing, context, and specificity all play crucial roles in the response you get. This is where things get interesting. We're not just talking about simple questions. We're talking about structured, nuanced prompts that unlock the true potential of AI. Imagine being able to guide an AI to write a compelling story, solve a complex problem, or even create a piece of art that resonates with emotions. It's about moving from basic commands to a deeper conversation with the machine, guiding it towards the desired outcome. This involves a blend of creativity, technical knowledge, and an understanding of the AI's learning patterns. To truly master prompting, one must be willing to experiment, learn from mistakes, and continuously refine their approach. Attending workshops, collaborating with others, and staying updated with the latest advancements in AI can significantly enhance your prompting skills. There are numerous resources available to help you on this journey. Books, online courses, and tutorials can provide valuable insights and techniques. The more you immerse yourself in the world of AI, the more proficient you'll become at crafting prompts that yield impressive results. Ultimately, the goal is to harness the full potential of AI, transforming it from a simple tool into a powerful collaborator. With the right prompts, you can achieve remarkable outcomes, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, the next time you interact with your device, remember that you're just scratching the surface. Dive deeper, explore the possibilities, and unlock the true power of AI through effective prompting. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI.